Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the topics we've covered. We'll be doing this by asking questions and providing answers, which is a great way to reinforce our understanding. So, let's get started. Which of the following is a valid JavaScript variable name? To define a variable in JavaScript, you cannot start its name with a number or use reserved keywords. However, you can use an underscore at the beginning, like the option b underscore my variable. What is the result of the expression 5 plus 5 in JavaScript? B is the correct option. In this expression, the first value is a number, and the second, enclosed in double quotes, is a string. They will not be added, resulting in 55. What is the result of the expression 5 equals 5? The result of the expression is true because JavaScript performs type coercion and converts the string 5 to a number before making the comparison. Which operator is used for strict equality comparison in JavaScript? Strict equality operators check both the data type and the value of operands, and the correct choice is C, which represents the triple equals that perform such checks. Which of the following is not a JavaScript primitive data type? There are 6 primitive data types in JavaScript: number, string, boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. So, the answer is B. Object is not a primitive data type. What does the break statement do in JavaScript? A option is right, terminates a loop or switch statement. What is the purpose of the continue statement in a loop? It's straightforward. The correct choice is B, as it allows you to skip the current iteration and proceed to the next one. In JavaScript, how can you concatenate two strings? The correct answer is option B. Concatenation means joining two strings, and you can achieve this by using the plus operator to combine the two strings. How many times will the following for loop execute? For let I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus? The correct option is C. The for loop will execute 10 times because the condition I10 allows it to run as long as I is less than 10, and it increments I by 1 after each iteration. What will the following code output? var x equals 10. X plus equals to 5. Console log x. The current value of x is 10. When we execute the line x plus equals 5, it increases the value by 5, making it 15. Which of the following loop constructs is used for code that needs to run at least once? There is a single loop known as the do-while loop, and its key characteristic is that it executes its body at least once before evaluating the condition. How do you write a single-line comment in JavaScript? In JavaScript, you can use double slashes for single-line comments, making option D the correct choice. In JavaScript, what is the result of null equals undefined? It will display true. In JavaScript, they are loosely equal and both represent the absence of value, although they are different data types. What is the purpose of the Ifl statement in JavaScript? Option C is correct, to make decisions based on a condition. What will the following code snippet output? The loop initializes the variable I with 0 at the start and continues until I reaches 5, making option A the correct choice, with the output ranging from 0 to 4. What is the purpose of the if-else-if statement in JavaScript? In an if-else-if structure, you can define multiple conditions, making option C the correct choice to make multiple decisions based on different conditions. What will the following code snippet output? Option D is the correct answer. What will be the output of the following code snippet? The answer is both conditions are true because both conditions x less than 10 and y greater than 5 are true. Due to the and operator, if both conditions are true then if body will execute. Which logical operator is used to combine multiple conditions where only one of them needs to be true? Option C is correct because the OR operator can evaluate multiple conditions, and if any one of them is true, the overall answer of the condition will become true. What is the purpose of the type of operator in JavaScript? Option B is correct. It returns the data type of a value or variable. Which keyword is used to exit a loop prematurely in JavaScript? It is very simple. Option D is the correct option. B statement is used to exit the loop. What does the nan value represent in JavaScript? The correct option is A, not a number, indicating an undefined numerical value. What will the following code snippet output? Initially, the variable x holds the value 5. Next, y equals x plus plus, it assigns the current value of x, which is 5, to y and then increments x by 1. Therefore, option B is correct, with x having a value of 6 and y having a value of 5. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for future video updates.